In HESTIA, we have developed and deployed many innovative solutions based on the project needs, based on the pilots that we have in the project, based on the different technical specifications. We have decided to include different sensors, different smart meters, which allow us to collect data that are normally not being collected, such as energy consumption, but for 4 months on specific time periods, not just at the end of the month. And also we are collecting data about the households, about the participants, occupation, temperature, and so on. We have taken into account different aspects of the pilots. So because we have pilots from different climatic zones, some of them have PV energy production installed, like PV panels. Some other pilots have thermal energy, like in French pilot. And then also we have, in Dutch pilot, for example, we have community batteries. So there are different technological, let's say, aspects that each pilot has, and we had to adapt to them. So we installed new sensors, but we are also taking into account measurements from legacy devices. We try to integrate with all the possible data sources that we have. Besides that, we have also taken into account the user feedback, because during different workshops in the project, we got valuable feedback from users, which allow us to adapt our solutions towards their needs. Although at the beginning of the project we tried to, let's say, predict what could go wrong, there were some things that happened that we couldn't predict, like the COVID crisis, which slowed down a bit engagement of the users because we were not allowed to enter their homes. Also, shortage of electronic components, which a bit delayed the deployment phase because we could not, the partner in the project which provided us with the sensors could not actually produce them. So there were some this kind of let's say, challenges. Also, when we approached the end users, depending on their needs, we saw maybe that some of them are not very keen to have like monitoring equipment in their household. So all this, let's say, new things that we learned during this project allowed us to try to adapt our solution to make it closer to the user, so that they can, let's say, really find the value in the project and the technology that we are producing for them.